Did this Volvo a while back. The side had been repainted, so you had to be really careful and choose your battles on it. This car was just need to be good enough to make it at a glance. The owner was getting ready to sell it, but just way too much to sell on a high-end car and leaving those dings. As you can see, it came out really nice. You have to really be looking at it. If the owner wanted, as I've said before, spend more time and money, we could have, but I was kind of getting at the point where I felt it was getting a little bit risky because I was having to do some really hard pushes and some taps to get that front door especially to smooth out. As you can see, looks great. Got anything similar? Getting ready to sell your car? You can email us pictures or videos through text or email. Again, this is Eddie with the Dent Devils Mobile Paintless Dent Repair. Looking forward to helping you out. Take care, be safe, San Diego.